Let's go over some of the exercises I feel help me the most with my scapular winging. I have a few, but let's go over 3 of them. I have to get my serratus anterior strong, and to help me feel it better, I do these protracted banded flies, which you can see here, focusing on contracting underneath my armpit and not letting the shoulder blades retract. I also love how these plank scapular push-ups feel, and they are looking good too, which is great. Finally, I also need to work on my external rotation, and this exercise feels great as it forces me to stabilize my shoulder. Did you ever experience scapular winging? How did you get over it? I could use all the help I can get.